Hi friends, I'm Savi and you're watching the technology within a minute. You know that if you are a creator, then you need to know a bit of video editing, lots of audio editing, and then you need to have a little bit of knowledge of After Effects. And to provide a professional look to your footage, you need to know color grading. Actually, color grading can provide life to a dull footage. Today in this video, I'll show how to color grade your footage like a professional editor within a minute. Then without wasting time, let's get started.
Hello friends, you are watching ERUDIRE Plus, the professional CAD/CAM solution provider. Let's get started.
For color grading, we're having different softwares like Adobe Premiere Pro CC, DaVinci Resolve from Blackmagic Design, then you can say Sony Vegas Pro, and also you can have some softwares like Final Cut Pro for Mac users, and a lot more. Among all these softwares, color grading with DaVinci Resolve is better one, but editing with Vinci Resolve is a little bit of tricky. It requires a lot of knowledge on nodes and their connectivity with different nodes. In most of the Hollywood movies also you can see color grading using these two softwares like Adobe Premiere Pro CC and DaVinci Resolve. Among all these softwares, Adobe Premiere Pro CC is user friendly and a bit easier to apply. And these things can be made more easier by using LUTs. So in our video we'll use Adobe Premiere Pro for color grading. So let's move on to our Premiere Pro CC. So this is Premiere Pro 2821. This is not the latest one. We'll start with a new project and we're keeping the name of the project as color grading. Then with the default setting, let us move on. Now first of all we need to import that clip. We can import it from here. Just double click that one. Let us click one raw footage, this one. This is of course a 4K footage. We can drag it to the timeline. This is the 4K footage. You can see. Right? Fine. Before starting color grading, we need to have the basic correction to be clear first, right? So this is already color grading option. In color grading, first of all, we need to select the basic corrections from here as basic corrections to be done right now. And you can see here that exposure to be increased a little bit and also shadow to be decreased a little bit. By the same time, blacks also can be reduced a little bit. If you don't have any idea about these things, what to be reduced and what to be increased, you can go for like auto setup. Now exposure to be increased a little bit with 0.1 and then shadows to be reduced a little bit. We can reduce this one as -10. By the same time, we can reduce black to -11 again. If you are not having any idea about this one, you can go for auto setup. So our basic setup for this footage is done. We'll try to make this one as a normal one, right? Okay, fine. Next one, we need to move on to that most important part, that is creative one. In this creative color, we're having a lot of LUTs. We'll show one by one all these things. Suppose we're to make this one too much of colorful. In that case, we are having LUTs like Blackmagic Cinema. This one, if we click, we'll see it will be highly colorful, right? That is not needed. Even you know that we had a movie like called Mad Max Fury, right? That was too much of colorful. If you want to provide color to your footage to similar to that Mad Max Fury, you can go to this LUT here itself and provide Mad Max Fury from here itself. Mad Max, you can see color will be changed a little bit, right? So just by one click only you can change a lot to your footage. And also if you like to have the color of your movie like Matrix, that is science fiction movie, it will be a little bit of bluish in color. Let us see how it will look like for Matrix. So it will be like little bit of bluish in color. So you can provide different types of colors to your raw footage by using the LUTs, right? But in this case, we will not be doing this one. We'll do something else. Let's see what we're doing. Generally, what we do is actually to have like normal color. What we'll do is instead of matrix, we'll follow enhance. From the LUTs, we'll use enhance, right? Fine. And also to have better looking of this one, increase the vibrance a little bit one. Let us increase the vibrance a little bit. If you like, you can increase the saturation also, but I'll not use this one. The vibration I'm increasing a little bit. So it is changing. You can see all these things you can show later on, how it will be. It was before and after, I will show later on. Next to that, you can see curves. This is also very important part. And before moving to these curves, we can see this hue and saturation. Suppose you can see the color of the sky is not that much of blue. We want to make the color of the sky to be blue. So what we'll do is, with the pen tool, we'll select the color of the sky at any location. Let us select this one, and here you can see color of the sky is appeared at this location. If you want to increase the color of the sky, you can move that point up, or if you want to decrease the color, then you can move it down, right? Exactly same way we can increase the color of these green things again. So what we'll do is, with the pen tool, we'll select the green color, and again we'll increase it. So greenery is increased a little bit. Suppose you are not happy with the skin color of this person, so again you repeat this process. Take the pen tool and select the skin, and increase this one also if you like, right? So this is actually color grading. And also another thing is remaining. From these curves, you can select this portion, middle portion, and also the bottom portion. Now the bottom portion, you can move it a little bit down, and the top portion you can move it a little bit up. See the difference, right? Now to see what it was before, what we'll do is, let us make this off. So it is becoming flat. Again, the creative one also will make it off. It is becoming more flat. And finally, if we make the basic corrections also off, let us see what is happening. It is a flat footage, right? Now we'll increase one by one. If we make the basic corrections, it will be looking like this one, little bit of vibrant. Next to that, we are moving to creative coloring. See, it is having professional look. And finally, with the curves, we can see it is having better color, right? If you are not happy with this one, you can decrease this one a little bit, right? Fine. So this is our color grading. Let us decrease this one also a little bit. Okay, fine. Now let us view it from the beginning itself. This is after, right? Let us see what it was before. This one will appear again. Before color grading, this was completely flat footage. You can see the color of the sky is not appearing that much of blue, and also the greenery is also not that much of green. Let us change it to the color grading options and see it again. So the thing is, with the pen tool, you can select any specific option and make it as per your choice or as per your requirement, right? And if you see this yellow is more, that yellow part can be also reduced. How will we reduce? We will move this cursor down. Yellow portion has gone down, right? Okay, you can see it. Even this white portion also, you can make it more, right? Okay, so this is all about our color grading. What you have to do is, first of all, you have to correct the basic corrections. If you are not having any knowledge about what to be corrected, go for the basic corrections and go for auto setting, right? It will make a little bit of different from the flat footage. And finally, after these basic corrections, you need to go to creative, and here you can select any LUT, and that can be modified using the vibrance and also saturation. And finally, with the curve tools, you can change the final settings, right? This is all about our today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you again. Bye.